Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can scan barcode of items with your eBay app. For that, just open your eBay app on your mobile phone. When you open it at the home page, you can see at the top right side there is a camera option. Just click on this camera option. When you click on this, the camera of your mobile will be open. Now at the top, at the bottom, you can see there is written as a barcode. Just simply click on this barcode option. When you click on this, now just hold your mobile phone on the barcode of items that you want to scan. When you hold and click on your items, then the mobile camera will scan their barcode. After scanning a barcode, the eBay app will recognize the items and will show the item in front of you. So all the item list will be shown on your eBay app and you can purchase it, or you want to search another items, you can do it. So this is a way how you can search barcode of any items with your eBay app.